Hi everyone. So in this video here, I've got the vintage brake calipers. So usually what ends up happening, I'm about to put this bike in a storage. Well, it's actually being stored for the winter. And what ends up happening over the months of the winter time, while the bike is in storage, these calipers will get sticky. Basically, if you look over here, what I'm doing now, let's apply the brake. One side or the other is gonna get sticky, and it's not gonna bite equally. So what I like to do over here, just grab some CL1 lube, and look what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna just apply, see, right here, a drop. See, it's very easy. And now I'm gonna apply some brake here, and now you're gonna have the bike is going to be stored all winter, and these calipers are not going to get sticky. You're going to be able to use them on a trainer. You're going to be able to use them on the spring, and that's basically how you prevent them from getting sticky. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.